A friend is one who has the same enemies as you have. Whatever you are, be a good one. I don't know who my grandfather was. I'm much more concerned to know what his grandson will be. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your ears. With educated people, I suppose, punctuation is a matter of rule. With me, it is a matter of feeling. But I must say I have great respect for the semicolon. It's a useful little chap. If I were two-faced, would I be wearing this one? The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. All my life I have tried to pluck a thistle and plant a flower wherever the flower would grow in thought and mind. All men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. There is nothing true anywhere, the true is nowhere to be seen. If you say you see the true, this seeing is not the true one. The dogmas of the quiet past are inadequate to the stormy present. The occasion is piled high with difficulty, and we must rise with the occasion. As our case is new, so we must think anew and act anew. The best way to destroy an enemy is to make him a friend. My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. It is better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to open one's mouth and remove all doubt. If I had 8 hours to chop down a tree, I'd spend 6 hours sharpening my axe. I'm a slow walker, but I never walk back. I will prepare and someday my chance will come. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live by the light that I have. I must stand with anybody that stands right, and stand with him while he is right, and part with him when he goes wrong. Common looking people are the best in the world, that is the reason the Lord makes so many of them. Character is like a tree and reputation like a shadow. The shadow is what we think of it, the tree is the real thing. Sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. All I am, or can be, I owe to my angel mother. A woman is the only thing I am afraid of that I know will not hurt me. A house divided against itself cannot stand. A friend is one who has the same enemies as you have.